How can you get your customers to choose you over your competition? There are very specific reasons why customers prefer to buy from you or from another company that sells the same products as you, and it all depends on how you describe your offerings. Do you have the best product but your customers prefer to buy from your competitors? You know your product and customer service are better than theirs, but why is your competition doubling your revenue or even more while you struggle to make a sale? The secret to getting your customers to choose you lies on how you structure and communicate your offers. Broadly speaking, you have to create laser-focused offers. This means building products that solve a specific need or provide a specific benefit that your ideal customer profile is willing to pay for. When you have laser-focused products that solve a specific problem or need of your ideal customer instead of trying to solve all their problems with that product, this will allow you to write and communicate a laser-focused offer. You can create other products and services in your business, but each one must be specifically designed as the perfect product to solve a single problem or need. When you learn to create laser-focused products, you can write and communicate these laser-focused offers to your niche market. That will be your perfect offer, which will allow you to attract your customers like a magnet and get them to choose you instead of your competition. Now, I will tell you 3 rules to create your perfect offer and get them to choose you. Your perfect offer must communicate a crystal clear value proposition. Customers need to instantly understand what they are getting and why it is important to them. A concise, benefit-focused message has to cut through noise, align with real pain points, and make the decision to buy feel obvious. Your perfect offer conveys irresistible perceived value. This means that when the benefits that the customer perceives that he can obtain with your product far outweigh the price, the offer seems like a no-brainer. Framing features in terms of concrete results like saving money, saving time, improving status, increases the perceived return on investment and justifies the purchase from the customer's perspective. The last feature you should incorporate into your irresistible offer is built-in risk reversal. Even a great offer can stall if buyers fear loss. Money-back guarantees, free trials, or strong social proof like testimonials or case studies neutralize that fear and builds trust, making it easy and psychologically safe for prospects to say yes to your offer. Follow these rules to create perfect offers that attract your customers like a magnet and make them choose you. Create laser-focused products designed to give your ideal customer what they want, how they want it, for what they want it. Communicate with your offer what your customers will specifically get from your product using the same words your customers will use to describe what they are looking for, how they are looking for it, and what they expect to get from it. To do this, your offer must communicate a crystal clear value proposition, convey irresistible perceived value, and incorporate built-in risk reversal. If you design your business around a customer-oriented business strategy and create your offers to communicate this to your potential customers in your niche market, you will become your customer's favorite choice, crushing your competition. Do you want to learn more about how to attract potential customers, get more leads, and convince them to become your clients? Do you want to know how to manage your small business to grow it? Then subscribe to my channel and watch the following video because I explain there what you need to achieve this. Put it into practice and tell me how it goes.